Hello grade 5, good afternoon and warm welcome in this grammar period. Now let's talk about books. If you haven't bought the books, please try to manage the books as soon as possible because we have already finished our lesson 1 of unit 1 and now we are reading lesson 2, types of sentence. Do you remember grade 5? Our last previous chapter was about the sentence. So let me revise about the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that gives us a complete meaning. Some of the examples are I am a student, this is a house, I live in Lalitpur, etc. Okay class, after knowing about what is sentence, let's read about types of sentence. Sentences can be divided into 5 types on the basis of their meaning. Okay, 5 types of sentence are: number 1, assertive sentence or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and operative sentence. Okay, now let's read in details about types of sentence. Number 1, assertive or declarative sentence. This is the type of sentence that make a statement and give information. Some of the examples are 2 and 2 makes 4, the 4 beggars sat on the floor, God is present everywhere, etc. This type of sentence ends with full stop. Now another type of sentence is operative sentence. These types of sentence express a wish, prayer or curse. Examples of operative sentence are may you live long, wish you all the best, may God bless you, etc. Okay, now let's move to another types of sentence, that is interrogative sentence, or you can say that question types of sentence. All those sentence which asks a question is known as interrogative sentence. Some of the examples of interrogative sentence are what is your name, how old are you, where do you live, why don't you come round this weekend, etc. Okay, now another types of sentence are exclamatory sentence. These types of sentence express certain feelings like joy, shock, sorrow, happiness, etc. Some examples of exclamatory sentence are hooray, we have won the match. Alas, my father is dead. What a beautiful flower it is, etc. The last types of sentence is imperative sentence. These types of sentence tell someone to do or not to do some things, or in another language we can say that imperative sentence gives command or express the command of people. Examples of imperative sentence are get out of the room, take pity on me, shut the door, take off your shoes outside, etc. Okay class, this much for today. We just read about types of sentence. If you are in confusion about the types of sentence, please ask to me, or you can concern with your parents, or you can search in Google as well and get all the information which you are required to know about the types of sentence. Now it's homework time. Your homework is doing all the exercise of types of sentence, which start from page number 7 assignment A to page number 13 assignment J. Dear students, start doing your work with neat and clean handwriting, and we will surely meet in our next class. So stay at your home, stay safe, stay blessed.